بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. Good evening, friends. I wish you all okay, inshallah. So most people in the internet and in the domain public had many problems to link in and changing the name server of their domains, especially in GoDady server. So today I found some steps or some ways to change your domain or server name in easy way. So I linked my account or my domain with Cloudflare, as you see now. So the Cloudflare asked me offline, asked from me to change the domain server, as you see now here, from this principal name server and GoDaddy to this name server. So I did this as any person do this or does this. So I went to my account. I couldn't change, as you see now. I couldn't change them because there is no steps or there is no option to change this. So I went back here to the change, then or using the default name servers. So I click it change. I've just changed. So it will take a little while. Anyway, it will give you a wrong message. So try to copy the first server, for example. So we'll try DNS, as you see here. Just wait. So I saw already in the internet most people are suffering from this problem. So enter my own name server, for example, like this. The first name server, as you see now, the first or second one. Looking for the second one. Copy. I'll click it to copy. Go back to my save, or normally the click save, it will change. So if it doesn't change, it will give you this error message. You will see. As you see, as it's not changing the name is risky, called not personally to website. Yes, I agree. Name server to update domain. This is the first step. If this doesn't work with you, we will give you another work or another option. Sure, you will find the link in the description. So this all in the GoDaddy server. Okay, we will wait. We will see if this works or no. So it's still working, still the same. So there is no change. But he said features my. We will see again. Okay. Now it's changing. Now it's changing. So for the first setup or for the first changing the name server, sometimes it will give you a wrong message or error message. So in the second part, if this way works with you, that's fine. If doesn't work, so go to next step. The next step you will find also the link in the description. It will give you your domain name, as you see now. You have to enter to DNS, update name server, click here. It will give you, I'll use GoDaddy name server recommended. Now I don't need them. So you will choose the second option. You will choose also your name server domain and click save. That's all. Click. That's all. This second way is better than first one. So I think I gave you a little thing about this. I wish you will help me and subscribe on my channel. I wish you help me and give me a like. I wish you help me also to support me always. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all good time always. Bye bye.